Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Here from the Honorable Minister of the NCP to the Honorable Minister of State for the NCP. Jointly cutting the many roads for the future, the engineering infrastructure for Wuye, and our flag girl is a star attraction today. Congratulations to the
Wuye interchange bridge, making Wuye and Wuye districts of the Federal Capital City, FCC, was officially commissioned by His Excellency Bola Ahmed, Tinubu, DCFR, President Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.